passenger, and it's my pleasure to welcome you on board today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our One World Airlines partners. Apologies again for the delayed departure, for the inconvenience might have caused, and thank you for your patience and understanding. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening the overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved, they could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed aside to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note that video phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. Your seat power is available within your seat area or be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. About to start on-board service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you sitting in Cabin Europe, we will be offering you a choice of meal and drinks for the bar, and your traveller will be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed, time permitting, by our Speedbird Cafe service. Pre-purchased items will be served first, followed by onboard purchases. If you'd like to purchase from a selection of Speedbird Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to BA Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available. As part of our BA Better World initiative, you can now purchase a contribution to carbon offsets for £2.50 or donate to our charity partnership, Flying Stars. Please have your preferred method of payment ready in advance, and please note that we do not accept cash as payment. If there is anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. Now please sit back, relax, and enjoy British Airways in-flight hospitality. Thank you.